Assalamualaikum my little champs. Today we learn about English alphabets. So let's start. A for
apple.
B for
Bird.
C for
Cat.
D for
Dolphin.
E for
Earth.
F for
Frog.
G for
Giraffe.
H for
Heart.
I for
Ice cream.
J for
Juice.
K for
Key.
L for
Leaf.
M for
Mouse.
N for
Notebook.
O for
Owl.
P for
Papaya.
Q for
Queen.
R for ring. S for
Strawberry.
T for
Tree.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Venus.
W for
Watermelon.
X for
X-ray.
Y for
Yacht.
Z for
Zebra.
So my little champs, I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.